Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get the Blossom Katana. First, you'll want to head to the Whispering Falls, a beautiful but challenging zone. Make sure your character is at least level 30 to tackle the enemies there effectively. Before you even set foot in the area, gather 5 rare moonpetal flowers. These are crucial for the next steps. This method simplifies the process significantly, saving you time and effort. Let's dive into the details. Once inside Whispering Falls, your primary goal is to navigate through the ancient sunken temple ruins. Be prepared for some tricky platforming and hidden traps along the way. You'll encounter 3 guardian spirits. Defeating them is essential to clear your path forward. After overcoming these guardians, locate the ancient altar at the temple's heart. This is where those 5 moonpetal flowers you collected earlier come into play. Place them on the altar to proceed. After activating the altar, you'll be transported to the Spirit's Trial. This challenge requires speed and precision, as you must complete it within 2 minutes. The arena will be filled with glowing red traps. Avoid these at all costs, as they will reset your progress. Your main objective is to collect 10 spirit orbs that are scattered throughout the trial area. Successfully completing this trial is the final test of your worthiness to wield the Blossom Katana. Upon successfully completing the Spirit's Trial, the magnificent Blossom Katana will materialize on the central pedestal before you. Approach it and claim your reward. This legendary weapon boasts an impressive 150 attack power and a 25% critical hit chance, making it a formidable addition to your arsenal. It's truly a game-changer for many builds. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your new katana.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.